The wind turbine industry is growing. Forecasts predict that installed capacity will double over the next 10 years. For wind turbine lubricant manufacturers, that's good news. But this growth generates new challenges for formulators. Because many new turbines are located in remote areas and extreme conditions, operators want longer-lasting lubricants to minimize costly and challenging maintenance. Finished lubricants based on metallocene polyalpha-olefin synthetic base stocks have demonstrated the ability to extend lubricant and equipment life compared to mineral oils. Many of the remote areas are located in cold climates, requiring gear oils and greases designed to deliver low-temperature performance. Compared to mineral oils, MPAOs demonstrate lower pour point and better Brookfield viscosity for improved low-temperature fluidity and cold start capability. Another trend: turbines are getting bigger, while gearboxes get smaller to decrease weight. Thus, more stress on lubricants. In lab and field tests, MPAOs have demonstrated high stability even under severe operating conditions. MPAOs also have less tendency to foam, which is critically important for avoiding equipment overflow and ensuring proper lubrication. These performance improvements are driving a switch from conventional to metallocene PAOs. More than 45% of the high-viscosity base stock market has already switched to MPAO, and trends suggest the shift will continue into the future. Contact your ExxonMobil representative to learn more about how synthetic base stocks can help you make the grade. Innovate confidently.